Hala, Muskoka Beach with Peter. This is Peter, my friend. Yeah, wala.
Video ba yan? Kala ko naman
Oh,
picture.
yeah,
Nakapost
video,
pa
video,
na-
video, video.
Nakapost pa naman ako.
Oh, video, video.
Kala ko pa naman picture.
Yeah. Yeah, here.
After he was a busy picture, man.
Yeah, beach. Muskoka Beach. Beach.
Come here, man. Come here.
Oh, beach. Wow.
Where is it, Eric?
Yeah, beach.
Alright, thanks.
Linaw. Oh, ha.
Cheers!
How'd you get there?
Birch is there, the fire pit's there.
Let's go,
Right.
Caesar.
Here's my boss.
How you
Huh?
doing?
Yeah.
Passed out by about what time is it?
About 5 minutes.
Hey, I worked hard.
Okay ba tayo dyan, boss?
I know you worked hard. No, I worked hard.
Oh, Rod! Mayor, how are you, Rod?
49.
Good.
Sang, may huli na ba? Nea, sasakay na ako dyan?
Pustahan.
Picture!
Uy, naka-picture na yan eh. Picture pa. Tom! How are you? Okay. You're feeling like in Hawaii, huh? You polo.
I'll drive.
Give me some rope, man. I'll fucking tie this guy up.
Bro! Hey! Okay!
Video.
What the fuck is he doing? Is he just
Who's
standing over
this?
there? Where's he fishing?
No,
He's got 2 rods.
Do you know how he got there? He fucking walked.
He's got 2
Oh,
rods.
beer daw muna kami. Ha? Ha?
Ano man picture.
Oh, yan na. Naka-video ka eh. Picture pa. Oh. Ha? Hello, papugi ka naman. Yan.
You can.
Picture naman para may remembrance tayo dito.
So yun ang matulog?
Ba, ayos ka. Feeling pogi ka dyan, ha? Ha?
You know me? You know me, you know?
You don't know me?